Hey there everybody, today is Wednesday, the 5th day of February of 2025. It's about 10:03 in the morning. I want to start this video off with this absolutely gorgeous tree and these gorgeous limbs. Hopefully you can appreciate this. Where am I? Well, let me tell you where I'm at. I'm just outside of Fairhope, Alabama today, and I am here to visit a very historical monument that I've been wanting to do for months, but the weather has kept me away. I want you to read this right here, okay? Pause this and you'll see what we're talking about. This is what we're here for, and this is what we're going to take a look at. So if you read that, you saw that at the Grand Hotel in the Gunnison House, that the soldiers that came from Vicksburg that were wounded were cared for there, and all of those who died, they brought them here. And then sadly there was a fire in that hotel in 1869. That's where the records of these guys were kept at, and so all the names, everything was lost. Here, just as the first one, let me show you right here. Unknown soldier, Confederate States Army. Now over here is Elijah Morrison. So you can read, he was killed on 26th of July of 1863. And then, I'm not going to go through and do all of these individually like this, but here I'll just go past these three, and you can see they've got little flags at them, mainly the Confederate flags. There's another unknown soldier one. But in here is a great big marker here. So this has names, and that over there, if you can't read it, it says, "Forever now among the immortal dead, whose dust belongs to glory's dreamland, sleeps the fair Confederacy. Right principles can never die, no cause for which the brave have bled in virtue's name, for which the true have kept the faith, for which the dead have died in holy martyrdom, was ever lost. In memory of our Confederate soldiers erected by United Daughters of the Confederacy, A.D. 1941. And right here, you can see this, and you can see all the names. So if you want to pause this and read that, then that should do you some good. But over there in the corner, you see they got the little cannonballs there that they put up as markers. Yeah, and there's some over there beyond that tree where I came in to my left. Yeah, you see them right there. There's the sign right there, and then you can see those there. All right, so let's go. We'll take a look, I guess, at this cannon right here that they've put. So you can see here's another unknown soldier grave, by the way. And so they've got this cannon here. And here, I'll let you look right down the barrel of it. Can't see a whole lot. There's a lot of dirt and stuff. In memory of the unknown heroes who gave their lives in the war between the states, 1861 to 1865, this work has been accomplished by the Eastern Shore Confederate Memorial Association. All right, so there you go. And so you can see around here, there's quite a few graves here. And here we go. I just spotted something. Show this to you right past this tree. Check this out. Is that Robert E. Lee? Kind of looks like him. Does that face not have great detail in it? The rifle and everything, right down to his boots, his laces. I don't see any cannonballs there. Here's a gate, and we'll take a look at it from the outside in a minute. But you see, here's another cannonball right here on this, holding this little chain link up. And then here's an angel. Right there you can see. In this corner, and here says, in memoriam, George C. Bonner, Died June 18th, 1869, so he didn't die from the Civil War, in the 20th year of his age. Whoa. But he probably died from wounds maybe of it, possibly. You see there's a broken headstone right there. Then there's a lot more out here, so we'll go walk around and I'll bring you whatever I can find that's very interesting. Okay, now this here is the gate that we just walked out of. That was always to my right when I walked in, and you see it says Confederate Dead, and it's looking straight at that cannon that we looked at a minute ago. So get your bearings there, and then here we got these flags up here. Very nice setup, so we're going to look around, and look, that sign there says Camp Number 1864, Fort Blakely. All right, let me keep looking. Okay, here's another part of it right here that you can see. These four that are here are unknown soldiers, and they've got the flags up here on them. And now they are mixed in, you know, with other people. There are some regular civilians buried here in these places that I'm showing you now. And while we're here, let's just go look. You see this crying angel here. Look at the feet down there. And right there. So there you go for that one. Just outside of the chain-linked area there is George M. Bonner, Captain Company D-24, Alabama Infantry Regiment, Confederate States Army, February 10th, 1822 to September 14th, 1866. So this guy, he would have been 46 years old. So he died 3 years after the Civil War. And that's that broken headstone that I showed you. So this is the same guy. It says George Bonner on both of these. And you see they got the flag there. So he did serve in the war. And look at those fake flowers they've got there that eternally last. And just to show you just a little bit more, you see these here have got the Confederate flags on them. It says CSA right there, unknown soldier, and unknown soldier right there. Up here we've got some crosses that I don't believe these are wooden, and they're definitely not, but they're made to look like wooden, basically. So there's those, and then here's just some people that died in 1942, 1956, so quite a while back. But here from the outside, let's just pan this whole thing just to show you. So this is where they came from, the Grand Hotel, and were buried when they died from the Battle of Vicksburg. Way over in Mississippi. It's on the other side of Mississippi. I mean, this was a long way to bring them in those days, you know, given transportation and all that. So, pretty interesting that would happen, but there you go. Here's a part of history. Here's some of the cannonballs that I showed you earlier. And then, just to end this, I guess I'll end it with both those palms and this absolutely gorgeous tree here. Check out these limbs on this tree. I would be remiss to not bring this to you and let you see it as I see it. Wow. Look at those limbs. My voice should be coming through good. I'm using my voice recorder, so that loud guy over there is running that blower. Shouldn't bother us here. There you go. Very nice tree. I hope you've appreciated this look at history here, and just a general look of this graveyard here. I've enjoyed it, and I've wanted to bring this to you for quite a while. Like I said, the last, man, 2.5 months, I guess, I've known about this, but the weather has kept me away, and I have finally made it. So we'll be departing this area very shortly, and I just wanted you to see what's going on. Now, right next to this, that right out there, just to show you, that is a golf course. And that's what they're doing, cleaning and stuff over there, blowing leaves and what have you. But anyway, again, hope you enjoyed this. You know, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, all those things. And I hope you appreciate what this means to this whole country. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.